Welcome. In this video, we're going to discuss charts. Web Intelligence has multiple chart types that allow you to present the data in your reports graphically and in a way that presents the data in a clear and comprehensive manner. Now we're going to discuss common charts that are used. The best way to just go through that would be to come up here to the report element and then here to chart. Now first, we have column charts, which are useful for showing data changes over a period of time or for illustrating comparison among items. Line charts are good for showing trends in data at equal intervals or changes in data over time. Pie charts are useful if you want to show how each part of your report contributes to the total. Pie charts display data as segments of a whole. We're going to come over here to others. Bar charts are useful for comparing similar groups of data, for example, one time period or to another. Point charts are useful for comparing specific data points. They display data as points and are similar to line graphs, except that the data points are plotted without a line to connect them. And here in more charts, we have quite a bit of additional ones: box, radar, tree, heat map, tag, which again, depending on your needs, you'll have to figure out the best way to display the information graphically in a clear and comprehensive manner. Radar charts, for example, also known as spider charts, are useful when you want to look at several different factors related to one item. Okay, so we're going to now discuss three ways in which you can create charts. First way would be here in the report element toolbox. You can click a chart type from the chart or others tab. So let's choose column. I'll choose column here. And then you have to just click the area of the report where you want the chart to display. The chart structure displays in the report. Okay, that was one way we added a chart. You can use the right-click contextual menu options. Right-click and select the Insert Report Element. Next, click the area of the report where you want the chart to display. This time, let's choose line. I'm just going to click OK here for the purposes of moving forward. What I'm now going to do is do the third way, which let me copy this table and put this here. So the third way would be use the right-click contextual menu option on an existing table and select Turn Into and More Transformations, and to end this, we're just going to do a simple pie chart. Okay, these are the three ways that you can insert a chart or create a chart. Now, the difference between these two and this one is the fact that these two, the axes have not been selected as yet to know what data points it will be measuring. And since we selected here to turn into, it already has done that for us, doing gross sales. If you noticed in the second way that I mentioned previously on the right-click contextual menu options, when I had the option to insert a report element, let me delete this here, just to give you an example. Insert report element, go back here to line, we could have initially just picked our axes. Let's measure region, and we want to see profit. There you go. So we could have selected it there, or we could right-click, assign data, then pick our axes here. Let's do region again, and profit. And there you go. You can also choose to work with report structures only when you create charts. No data appears in the chart, as you initially saw, previous to us selecting the different axes. Working with the report structure only allows you to make modifications without accessing the server. When you work with reports populated with data, each change you make is applied on the server. To work in structure only mode, click the drop-down arrow besides design in the upper right and select structure only. Notice that there is no data entered, but you can use this mode to really set up your charts and how you want to use it. And that's charts.